Several people ask about 20F on the review. 20F is relatively quick. The wording on 20F says if a line intersects the side of a triangle at one of its trisection points, so we've got trisection points here, and is parallel to a second side, so they're saying it's parallel to this other side of the circle, of the triangle, then it intersects the third side at one of its trisection points, okay? So basically we could say like this is x, this is x, and this is x, something like that, okay? Well, notice this is a side splitter theorem, okay? And we know that a line that's parallel to the base of a triangle cuts both halves of the triangle in the same ratio, okay? So notice the ratio over here, we have an upper part of x to 2x, which of course simplifies down to 1 to 2. Okay, and so what that means is you have to have a 1 to 2 ratio over here as well. So you're not necessarily going to have an x and a 2x. You might have a y and a 2y, but guess what? That still has to be one third of the overall, or it has to be half as long as that. And so yes, that in fact is going to be a trisection point because it's 1/3 of the length. Okay, so if this is 1/3 of the length on that side, that has to be 1/3 of the length on the other side, which would also have to be a trisection point. So 20F is going to be always